Just do it! Is Sir Richard Branson's mantra. It encapsulates a universal can-do spirit of action, action, and action. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Now tell me, what makes a good leader? How do you explain when others achieve things that defy all assumptions? Example, Apple, the tech company. Like all its competitors, it has the same access to talents, consultants, and the media. Yet, it is way more innovative. Turns out, all the greatest leaders in the world, whether it's the likes of Dr. Martin Luther King, Nelson Mandela, or Mahatma Gandhi, communicated to people the exact same way, comprised of why, how, and what. Almost everyone knows what they're doing. Some people know how, but very, very few know why. The way the majority communicates is by what and how. But truly inspiring leaders always talk about why they do what they do. Let's say Apple was like everyone else. Its marketing tagline would sound like, "We make great computers. They're beautifully designed, easy to use, and user-friendly." What if I want? May sound boring. Here's how they really speak. Everything we do, we believe in challenging the status quo. We believe in thinking differently. The way we challenge the status quo is by making our products beautifully designed, easy to use, and user-friendly. We just happen to make great computers. Different, right? From this you can see, people don't buy what you do, but why you do it. And here's the best part. What I'm telling you is none of my opinion. It is all grounded in the tenets of biology, not psychology, biology. It is to do with our human brains. Tell a person why you do what you do, and their mind would hardwire and believe what you believe. Why do great leaders attract people who believe what they believe? Simply what you do as a person proves what you believe. And what you do as a leader changes what a person does. The reason why 250,000 people arrived at Dr. King's speech in the summer of 1963, traveling 8 hours on buses, was not because of him. It was for themselves. It was what they believed about America, which made them come. They are leaders and those who lead. Leaders simply hold power, but those who lead truly inspire us. We follow those who lead not because we have to, but because we want to. Leaders should protect their people, like parents protect their children. So in turn, their people would give their blood, sweat, and tears. Like Captain William Swenson, who would go into a line of open fire to pull out the injured and take back the dead. He simply did this just because he believed that they would have done the same. There's a deep sense of trust and cooperation within him. Leaders shouldn't be feared, they should be loved. I believe what makes a good leader is his personality, his inspiration, and his mind. Leaders should make undisputably, unimaginably, and undeniably hard choices and sacrifices for the greater of their people, even better for the world. I'm Chen Euen, great to be here, and I